How to apply overtime rules in complex industries. Imagine working long hours in a busy factory, a hospital, or a retail store. Knowing exactly when and how overtime applies can be tricky in these settings. Let's break down how to handle overtime rules in industries with complicated schedules and multiple rules. First, understand the federal law called the Fair Labor Standards Act. It states that non-exempt employees must get paid 1.5 times their regular pay for hours worked over 40 in a single week. But some states add their own rules, like paying double time after a certain number of hours or for work beyond 8 hours in a day. Employers need to follow the law that benefits the employee the most. Next, classify employees correctly. Some workers are exempt, like managers or professionals earning a salary above a certain threshold, and they do not get overtime. Non-exempt workers must be paid overtime when they work extra hours. Misclassification can lead to hefty fines. Now, consider industry-specific factors. For example, healthcare workers often work rotating shifts, and manufacturing plants may have fluctuating hours. Retail workers might have irregular schedules or work in multiple states. Some industries have collective bargaining agreements that change overtime rules, so employers must review these carefully. Accurate timekeeping is essential. Use reliable systems that track actual hours worked, including overtime, across all locations and shifts. This helps prevent disputes and ensures employees are paid correctly. Develop clear policies about overtime. Explain when employees are expected to work extra hours, how overtime is calculated, and any exceptions. Make sure these policies follow legal requirements and are communicated clearly to staff. When requiring mandatory overtime, employers should do so fairly. Respect legal limits on hours, accommodate disabilities or religious beliefs, and follow union agreements if applicable. Staying updated on changes in overtime rules is also important. For example, recent updates increased salary thresholds for exempt employees. Employers need to adjust payroll practices accordingly. Lastly, train HR and management teams regularly. Consulting with labor law experts can help interpret complex rules and prevent costly violations. Applying overtime rules in complex industries is about understanding federal and state laws, correctly classifying workers, considering industry-specific needs, maintaining precise records, and keeping policies clear and up to date. This approach helps protect workers' rights and keeps your business compliant.